Give your romance, girl, you never love yourself, and me fi tell you so. Me want promote your loving, put it on like them be sure. Call you, tell you come and call again, kick back, and then me smoke a couple joke. Then me call again, your 2 foot, then fi go up. Deliver love in your soul like an envelope. You want come now, me call a taxi down the road. Hold on for me baby, cause the journey long, plenty road. Forgive me cause your loving good, me have to tell the globe, say. Your loving are the greatest. And you give me some great mates. Your style am the latest. So me squeeze and no fakeness. Stick to me who like a don't know what Sykah represent.
Alright, Sykah, welcome to another episode of Jamaica Ave Talent right here on Jamaicans.com Facebook page. I'm your host Ashley and Mott, and we started a little late. I must apologize for the late start, but we were having some, well, it was raining, and of course that delayed our program, but it did not stop it. Of course, we still have to promote our wonderful Jamaican talent, and today we have Sykah in the building. Alright, so Sykah,
Yeah.
why that name?
You know that name was given by a friend. You know, attending school. I used to get sick like every time the rain fall. I wonder if I something in the atmosphere. So from this to them just talk about me Sykah.
But you're not sick now, you're sick now?
No.
Okay, alright. Alright, so tell me a little bit about your music. What genre, which song, what genre is that? Is that a dancehall song, is that a reggae song, what is it?
Well, I would consider that song greatest as an international song. It have a little high life to it. As
Yes.
in pop to it, you see me?
Yeah.
So you have that little international thing to it.
Yeah, alright. I want to know where all of you guys are watching from. We're getting a nice amount of views, and usually have a whole heap of views on Jamaica Have Talent. Tell us, where are you watching Jamaica Have Talent from, and what you think about Sykah music? So Sykah, where can we find you on social media?
Well, you can find me on Instagram at Sykah_Dan. That's SYKAHDON.
Yes.
Facebook SYKAHDON. And the same thing for all social media sites.
Alright. Let's talk a little bit more about why you decided to get in the music industry. What was that decision? Why you just say, alright, music is my thing?
You know, music is my thing because growing up, my grandfather is a musician.
Yeah.
My daddy is a musician. I mean, them not really get recognized, but you don't know them do music from day one, so it just a inborn thing to me as well.
Yeah.
Isn't me? They're in our blood.
Alright, tell me about your next song that you're going to perform for us. What's the name of that song?
This song is a reality song.
Reality song.
Yeah,
Alright.
because you know we do all sorts of music, all genre, isn't me? So you don't know song name Don't Worry Yourself. I'm doing the video for it actually. Well, the video actually finished now, isn't me? And soon release. So it's a great song. Everybody can relate.
Alright, take it away, Sykah.
Granny says, son, don't you worry yourself. Better days just day ahead. Just go and pray, work hard, hustle for the bread. Progress definitely will spread. Granny says, son, don't you worry yourself. Better days just day ahead. Just go and pray, work hard, hustle for the bread. Progress definitely will spread. She said, look on what you see at your time. Success loading now a start time. Them can't stop your flow, no mankind. You transform like the Optimus Prime. But anyhow, when I have to wait long the bus a come. You see it? A long time a day, I mean not just a come. Granny say, experience teacheth wisdom. So me have to make a step like Bolt around. Me not sit down, son. Don't you worry yourself. You see me? Sykah.
Nice. What was the inspiration behind that song?
My grandma.
Your grandma.
Yeah, you know, Granny always have some little saying, you know. I don't know how them old people they still saying. Them just always have some little chat.
Tell me one saying that your grandma always, that you'll always remember your grandma sharing.
She always tell me to read my mind in my belly like the cow.
Read your what?
My mind in my belly like the cow. What
Read
is that?
read
My mind
Read your mind
in my belly
in your belly like the cow.
Yes.
What does that mean?
Maybe it mean like keep certain things to yourself.
Yes.
You see me? So
Yes.
if you got more than less, dash him.
Alright, Sykah, now tell us again, where can we find you on social media, and what's next for your career?
Alright, you can find me on Instagram at SYKAHDON, and that's _DON. Facebook SYKAHDON. You see me? And my next project is Greatest. That's the first song I did. The video is coming as well. You see me? And there's a lot of things going on. You know? You can always tune in and look out. Just visit my page. Updates are always there. You see me? So just go and tune in, man. Sykah there, live and direct.
Alright, Sykah right here on Jamaica Have Talent, right here on Jamaicans.com Facebook page. Thank you for tuning to part 1. Part 2, we're going to invite you to watch coming up real soon with another. Alright, stay tuned.